So what happens when you trade a lawnmower for a stretch limousine? You get a crappy stretch limousine. Hey guys, welcome back to Flipping Nuts. I'm Bobby and I'm flipping nuts. Today we're working on this limo, but it's kind of funny. I was looking on Craigslist and I came across this limousine. All I had was one picture of the hood and it just said willing to trade for a lawnmower and a generator and some other stuff. And so I reached out to the guy and said, hey, I got a lawnmower, and he went for it. So hey, I got a limousine. The funny thing is, the lawnmower, the year before, my wife and I, or actually I found sitting on the side of the road. And so I called my wife. She went back and made arrangements for me to pick it up later. And I worked on it for a while, got it running, and it was actually a really good mower. And turned into a limousine, kind of cool. All right, so as you guessed it, it's gonna need some work to get running. My daughter Shiloh's got a birthday coming up next week, actually this week, and so we're gonna see if we can get it running so we can take her and all our girlfriends to the skating rink in our beat up old limousine. But it'll all be kind of fun. So let's just check it out and see what we gotta do to get it ready. So as you can see, here it is, an old 96 Stretch Limousine. And it is definitely a stretch limousine. It's kind of neat. So as you can see, the roof needs some work. Not a big surprise with these Landau tops. They just awful for sheet metal. They don't do too well, but it kind of looks like it's mainly just above the window. It's the same way on the other side, but the top itself doesn't have any wrinkles. So I'm kind of hopeful I can get that fixed. Inside, actually not too bad. Got the big couch there, seating. All right, here's the other side. Walk down this thing, check it out from the other side. The kids have done a great job of helping me get it cleaned out. It was pretty raunchy in here, and from sitting for quite a while. It's actually pretty clean now inside. It does need, the carpets need to be shampooed, but overall the interior is really kind of surprisingly good. I need to have the windows, the two side windows, retinted, but you know, that's obviously something later if we keep it. And then there's the inside of the cockpit, pretty cool. And there's the 4.6 liter motor, not too bad. Today we're going to be replacing the alternator. As luck would have it, as my son Cody and I were driving home in the left lane, it decided that's when it was done, and so we actually had to push this monster to the shoulder during rush hour traffic. You can imagine what a horrible nightmare that was. And then he ran home, got a battery while I flagged traffic down, and we got it home. So, and that's where it sat for the last couple months. And so today we're going to be replacing that alternator, and we're going to be replacing the belt, which is kind of hard to see. The belt's kind of old and chewed up. And the alternator, this is a standard, I think it's a 125 alt. We're putting a 250 in here because, I mean, there's a lot of systems to run on this car, and that wasn't nearly enough juice for all the lights. It's actually got the lighting inside and all that cool stuff. So we're going to do that and see if it does any better. So stay tuned.
Hi.
So guys, this is Shiloh. Shiloh's going to be helping me with the Lincoln since we're doing this for her birthday. So
inside of the limo. We got the lights that are currently changing colors, and you can keep them. You can keep them on one color or whatever. And then we got the bar that's gonna have ice in it and stuff. And then when Dad's being annoying, put that up. So yeah, that's the inside of the limo.
Well, that's it for today's video. The only thing we got left to do is April's on her way back with a new actually 2 new tires, and we're going to do an oil change and check all the fluids and everything after we drive it for a little bit, and I think we'll be good to go. So thanks for watching. If you like it, please share. I could really use that. Give it a thumbs up. That tells YouTube I'm not such a bad guy and my videos aren't disgusting. We sure would appreciate it if you'd share it. So thanks a lot for watching. We'll talk to you soon, or we'll see you soon.
Guys.